Good morning, Divergence traders. How we all doing today? Hopefully good. Good. So we're looking at the 2-minute NASDAQ M&Q I like to trade. Um, as you can see, right from the get-go in the morning, it just dumped down. It hesitated right here, right at this level, right? And I didn't jump in the trade. And then it went through this, right? No, I didn't wait for the close of the candle. I jumped in somewhere up here, did a little scalp, and did another scalp. I don't know, I did like 4 scalps today, and all of them resulted in a winner today. So when it came down here, I was very because I won like 4 times in a row or 5 times in a row. I was like very cautious, and I said, "I'm not buying it here. I'm just not buying it. You know, peace sells, but who's fucking buying, right? Yeah." So I didn't buy it here, even though there was divergence. See the low and lower low and lower low, the 3 amigos, right? And here's the divergence. Here's the stick pointing up, meaning it should go up. Well, it did. With this candle here, it quickly went up here. That's another reason I didn't want to take it. And then I said to myself, oh, I'm not going to be a buyer here. I'm too cautious. And then it came back down, and I said, I'm not going to be a seller either in case they fucking trap me here short and take it like way back up here to the mid-range of the day. And I still think we might be going up there, but I'm leaning more so to the downside. There's a reason why they fucking sold this off this much. There's a reason behind it. And, you know, like, you can always get your favorite garbage man to come to your place and pick up your garbage. Oh, that's funny. That's too fucking funny. Yeah. People talking shit about garbage. Yeah. They're the ones that are garbage. Anyway. So, yeah. So I didn't sell it down here either. Let me show you that trade. We run this up here like this. Boom. And the divergence is from up here. Way up over here somewhere. I think it's right there. I don't know for sure. So you would have sold it right at this 50 line here. Yeah, and it would have worked for you. As you can see, it's still pushing down. It looks like they're going to smash it through the low here. That's what it looks like. But I didn't buy it here, was scared of getting caught in the trap, and I didn't sell it here for another reason of getting caught in the trap, and they're going to take it up. You know how you avoid a lot of trades? Well, it probably caused you to miss a lot of trades. I was just going to say, like this here. Okay, it turned a corner, it took off up, the 5 crossed up over the 7, and here's the divergence from on the OSMA, right? I would not take the buy trade here, to be very cautious. I would wait for it to go up and then take a retracement above here, above the 200 level, and then get long from up in here. You see what I mean? Yeah, you see what I mean. Here, I could even draw it on there for you. Like that. And then a little retracement, even back to the 200 level right there. And then, yes, the right back up to the top. But guess what? It didn't do that. And I was very happy when it was selling off here. I was saying right up here, I was saying, oh, it's starting to come down. I was saying, oh yeah, give me a big fucking red candle, you motherfuckers. And it did. And it did, and it did, and it did. And I was very happy about that because I never got caught buying in here, right? But the trade I kind of wish I would have done it was the sell in here because there's divergence behind it, right? But there was divergence behind this one also. But anyway, this is counter trend to buy it up, and this is not, is with the trend to sell it down. See, we might just dance around here for a little bit. They're going humming and hawing and going, well, what do we do, George? I don't know, Frank. Do we buy it up and take it right back up to the fucking 400? Or do we keep fucking shitting on this market and the price keep going down? Well, we got to see. What will be, will be. Shara, shara. Anyway, yeah, I know. Go solo, Jason. So low we can't hear you. Okay. Now what? There's some other trades. I got to show them to you. So we had a higher close right here. And you would have sold it, and we would put that in the right place, right there. There. Let me make it bigger to show you these more intricately. Okay? So higher close, and where did it close? Right, kissing right up against the 5 EMA. Yes, sir. You would have sold it on the opening of this one, and boom, you would have made profit. And then it went up again. Oh, here we go. We're breaking the lows. The charts fucking starts jumping up and down. Yeah, the way they're designed, I don't know. Fuck, some fucking schmuck built these charts. Fuck. Anyway, here's another one. Higher close. Sell it on the opening of this candle right here that I'm pointing at. And down it goes. It was beautiful. And if you wanted to keep doing that down here, that would have worked for you too. I don't suggest trading down in here, especially if you're looking to sell, because it's at the bottom of the fucking day down here. You don't know what it can do. It's very unpredictable, okay? But anyway, so we had a higher close, and we had to sell it right on the opening of this candle, and it went down, and it was a winner. And then we had what I call a hook down. It went up, and then it hooked right back down. That's what it did. So you would have got short right on the opening of this candle, and you do a quick scalp, take the money, and that's it. And that's all the trades on the way down, the little scalp trades. One here, one here, one here, and another one right here. So there's like 4 beautiful trades. And let me ask you this question. Is this the first time I ever show you these kind of setups? Is it? Is it? No. They keep coming back and repeating and repeating. And that's what you need to make money in the market. You need a repeating setup that that looks almost identical to the same every time, and it does. I always tell you, higher close near the 5, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And then a hook down right here, and you would have sold it on the opening of this candle right here, this big red candle, and boom, down it goes. And then it changed direction for a few minutes. Right in here. Do-da, right? So anyway, I'm just trying to hammer a point home that by staring at my charts for fucking, oh God, forever, man, forever. I saw these things on the chart, and I share them with you guys because I want you to succeed. That's what I want more than anything. That's why I do these videos, because I know I've got something good. And no, I don't think I'm God's gift to trading or to women, okay? I just want you guys to succeed. And hopefully these videos will still be up in 50 years from now, 100 years from now, and hopefully traders then will be profiting from my setups. And that's why I do this every day. It's a beautiful thing. Like, there's all kinds of traders all over the world who come up with these strategies or technical setups or whatever, and you know, they look different every time they show them to you. I show you the exact same setups with the exact same indicators on my chart, the whole numbers and the pivots, S3, right? The pivot points. Yes, there's no S4, S5, S6. If you're listening, Mr. Wieland, sorry, I have to laugh because there's no real traders use a 1, 2, 3 S and a 1, 2, 3 R with the main pivot right there in the middle of them, right here. That's the pivots that we use. I use anyway. But hey, if they work for Patrick, then they work. But anyway, I just wanted to point out that I show you the same repeating setups on the chart each day. It's not something that I, made up in my head or whatever. Each day and say, oh, there's a sell, there's a da-da-da, there's a da-da-da. No, they're the same. They even look the same, It's pretty amazing. I can't believe I discovered them, but I did. And I get to share them with you guys. So when you come across some trader that says, oh, I have this very unique, insane setup, it works 99.8% of the time, and he shows it to you, and he does the trade, and maybe by dumb luck it works, and then 6 weeks goes by. Oh, where's your setups? Oh, there hasn't been one yet. I'm waiting 3 weeks. Yeah. I've seen that before too, and laughed my head off at it. But anyway, so that's all the setups today on the NASDAQ chart here, the 2-minute. Let's take a look at this. Oh, is that gold over here? Oh, fuck yeah, it is. Holy fuck. Should have been trading gold today. Why didn't I do it? I don't know. Every time I go to trade, it fucking reverses on me. The fuckers. Look at the dump on gold. Look at this motherfucker. 400 points down, man. I guess somebody somewhere is not a fan of gold. Okay. Shut up, Jason. Let's get back on track here. NASDAQ 5-minute. Okay, so do we have a setup on the 5-minute? We do. We do. Right there. And you would have sold it right in there. And it went down really good. 267 ticks to the bottom. Okay. And what do we have right here? Oh my goodness. We don't have any higher close, sell it down it goes, but we definitely do have a hook down. Oh my goodness, a fucking hook down. And it worked too. But I would look to sell just underneath this wick here, in the middle of these two, this bullish and bearish candle. I would look to sell it there. There's no way I'd wait till it does close way down here. Even though it would have been a winner also, I would have looked to sell somewhere right there. Just to let you in on that. Okay, let's look at the S&P 500. Oh, we got some nice, I don't know. Oh yeah, that'll work. Divergence. See how I pulled up the OSMA? So you can see it? You can see that it's divergent. See that? I pull it up and then I pull it back down. Very hard to see it down here. Okay. And we take it from here to here. And we take an arrow down to the downside, right in there. And this is the S&P. Went down 40, 50 points, you might as well say, S&P. But look what else we had on the S&P on the way down. We had a higher close, sell it, down it goes. We had a second higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Oh, I like to see the full hand so you can see it. And down it goes, and look, we have a third one, ladies and gentlemen. How can that be? How can that possibly be? Right there, you would have sold it, and down it goes. So beautiful. There I go, showing you these same repetitive setups again. Let's go look at some more on the Dow. Oh, look at all the wicks in the slaughterhouse in the fucking Dow. Oh, they weren't liking this news today, the Dow. Oh, they were mad. They were angry. They don't like their garbage being picked up. Yeah, I don't think so. Somebody picked up your garbage, all right. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. I'm not even gonna mark. Well, there's divergence. So I'll just show you the one. Okay, all the fucking way over there, and this one all the fucking way down there, and yeah, sell right there, and it went down 100 right there before it went back up. And now, excuse me, I had to do a haka-loogie boogie. Okay, and now we're looking at the pound dollar. Oh, I got something in my eye. Sleep. That sleep won't come out, man. It just keeps gooking up in the corners of our eyes, eh? That goddamn gook. They call it sleep. Or the Sandman. I call it gook. Okay, we had divergence up here, right up here. Let me show you. Boom, boom, double top. See it? Woo! And you see down here? There it is. See that? That's divergence, baby. Oh, yeah. And you would have got short right in there, right from the fucking top, right from the fucking pivot. I wouldn't pay attention to those pivots because it's from MetaTrader. It's from a Forex broker. They don't have the right price. They don't have the right nothing. Anyway, 96 pips to the bottom on the pound dollar. Yeah. You know the Nasdaq that we trade, it's off 160 or 70 points, ticks. It's not the right price. The chart still looks the same, amazingly enough. Yeah, but it's the wrong fucking price. Yeah, it's a crazy thing. Like, look right here. Oh, it's a pound. I won't show you. What about the euro? Oh, we have higher highs on the euro. Right there. And right there. And you would have got in there somewhere below that wick. See, right there? Or a little lower if you wanted to, but I would get in right there. And boom, it came down, took out the low, and then boom, boom, boom. Out go the lights. There's 28 pips on the euro. Yeah, and then it came back up. And there's no trade down here. Let's move on now to the pound yen. Yeah, that's pointing down. That's what we want to see. Sell right there, pound yen. And it went down 146 pips to the bottom. Beautiful. Whoever trades the pound yen, you did a beautiful trade here. If you trade divergence, euro yen, is it the same as the pound yen? Oh. What's going on here? Let me look at this one, you fucker. Auto scroll. Low and lower low. Right there. We couldn't miss this one, right? It's too beautiful. And you would have got long right in there. And up to there, it went up 50. This is the euro yen. To the top, it went up over 100, 105. From our entry point right here with almost zero drawdown. Yes, yes. Gotta love it. Do you love it? I'm sure you guys do. You're probably baffled. If this is your first time here, you're probably baffled a little bit how I keep showing you these winning trades. It is what it is. I'll be honest with you. Learning divergence is not something like really easy and simple. In the end, it's simple, but to learn at first, you gotta, you gotta learn. You gotta learn. It takes time. But most importantly, not only do you need to learn how to spot it on the chart, you need to use the right tools, whether you like it or you want to or not. You need to have these moving averages on there because they guide you on the journey up or down, okay? And you need to use the OSMA. You can use the MACD, but it's not as good as the fucking OSMA. It's not even close, even though it's based off the MACD, the OSMA. It's 10 times better than the fucking MACD. Fuck the MACD. Use the OSMA, right? That's it. That's all. If you don't have these tools on the chart, well, I don't know what's going to happen to you. You're going to try and find divergence all over the goddamn place. It's usually at the bottoms of the day and the highs of the day. That's where they are located. Lower lows at the bottom, higher highs at the top. That's it. Let's move on now to oil. Oh, oil was a bad boy. Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Yeah, they stream that all fucking day long, man. That and Dog the Bounty Hunter. If you have one of those sticks there, it's like a USB drive or whatever, and you're streaming whatever on the fucking TV. They play fucking cops all day long, and they play, Dog the Bounty Hunter all fucking day long. That's what they play. Oh, yeah. And you go and you try and find other shit on that fucking streaming thing. It takes you like 20 minutes just to find something to watch. And then when you do find something to watch, it's about the devil. Yeah. It's about some sick, twisted fucking devil fucking worshiping shit. That's what it is. In disguise. In disguise. That's what it's all about. If you want free TV, well, get prepared to watch the devil. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, let's move on now. I'm not marking that fucking shit. That's oil today. There's a double top here. Yeah, whatever. It didn't go anywhere. It's just, they're just trapping each other on both sides. Trapping you up here, they take it down. They trap you down here and they take it up. And then they trap you up here again and they take it down. You see what I mean? Yeah, it's fucked. But gold was a fucking huge motherfucking winner. Woo-wee! Look at that motherfucker. We all wish we were fucking selling gold today. Holy tamale. It's crazy. All right, let's get a bunch of these thumbs out. Higher close, sell it. Down it goes. Here's another one. Higher close, sell it. Down it goes. Boom, boom, boom. There's 3 of them. And look, here's one here, right? If you would have got in here, Look, it went up here and turned out to be a hook down. Okay. But first, we got to put on our trade here that might have freaked people out and they would have jumped out. But then it turned into a hook down. Oh, I'm using the wrong thing. Right here. There's the hook down. There. So you would have suffered some heat on this one. It would have went against you and freaked you out a little bit. But if you held on, of course, it went down further. And then we had the hook down. If you would have sold it somewhere in here, which was the low of the day, it's scary. You know, or did you want it to break through here first? If it broke through here, then you could have sold it here, which would definitely be at the low of the day. That's why it's very hard to do the you know, these type of trades, the hidden divergence, because you're always selling at the bottom or buying at the top, and you have to trust it to be, you know, to continue. If you don't trust it, well, you're gonna lose. It's the way it goes. Or you don't trade those setups, you know. You only trade the counter trend. Oh, but look, I missed the main fucking formation to begin with. Double top, higher highs, right here. See? This formation right here, the bearish divergence, told you all the way down. Look for sells, look for sells. And what's the second thing you look at? Make sure that 5 EMA is below the 7 EMA or don't sell at any point. That's the magic in my system, is the 5 below the 7. It gives you right from the start, it says, hey, I'm going to give you a 50% probability. Really? Yeah, really. With that 5 below the 7. That gives you a 50% probability. It tells you don't fucking buy it. Only look for sell setups, not buy setups. And it's right all the fucking way down. And it's still sinking down. Well, they took it up majorly. Let's go look at the daily. They took it up majorly. Yeah, see? Let me clear. I don't want to clear. Look. You see that? It's been going up for like 2 weeks or something. They had to take profit sometime, right? And that's what they're doing here. See, we had one lower close candle here on the way up on the daily. You can trade this on the daily too, folks. I told ya. Okay, I told ya. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Here's another one right here. This is on the daily time frame. Right here. Boom. Up we go. See that? Isn't that beautiful? Over here too. When was this? September. You had a buy right here, up at what? Lower close, buy up right here, up it goes, you know? Huge winners. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Anyway, so that's it for today for the markets that move. Yeah, I've been talking half an hour, a long time. Sorry about that. I was just in a good mood today. I did 5 scalps, and all 5 scalps were winners. Yes, winner, chicken fucking dinner. Okay, what about Bitcoin? Oh, it went to a new high or no? No, it went to that high yesterday, 2 ticks from the all-time high. They're selling off there now. Watch it come right back down into here. Watch. That's what they do. And you know, when the price was up here, people are going, "Oh fuck, it's gonna go, Frank, yeah, Phil, it's gonna go, Mary, it's gonna go to $250,000 a coin." Or then there's the really big dreamers. Oh my God, it's gonna go to $1 million a coin. I'm so happy I bought 3/4 of a coin. Yeah. That's what people were dreaming when the price was up there. They thought it was going to keep going. No, they sold it. To the tick, they fucking sold it from this high right here. And XRP has probably gone back down. Yeah, see, I told you. I didn't even look at it. I just had the feeling they're going to sell it off again. It's going to come below here. May even come right back down to here to fucking like 40 cents again. That's what I've been saying for weeks now to you guys. It's probably going to come back down. They've been doing it for 7 fucking years. 7 long years. They keep doing a little spurt up and then they whack it back down. Little spurt up, whack it down. Spurt up, whack it down. That's what they've been doing. Look at this big spurt up over here, and then they whack it right down lower than where it started the rally up candle. See? They keep doing it, man. 7 fucking years. Okay. Here's silver. Oh, they're whacking silver down too with gold. Silver's following suit of gold. Ethereum. Oh, they whacked it down too, just like Bitcoin. And what about the... I wonder if this is up or down. I bet it's down. US dollar yen. Yeah, it's down a little bit. I was right. Good guesser. Never even looked at it until just now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the show for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you learned a couple of little tidbits of the way I trade and my setups. And yeah. If you like what you saw today, tap the like button. If you really like what you saw today, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right. Have a great afternoon. Good luck and good trading.